Introduction. As good character will be the heaviest thing in the scales of Judgment Day, it is vital for all Muslims to adopt it. This has been confirmed in a hadith found in Jami at Tirmidhi, number 2003. In fact, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, once confirmed that he was sent by Allah, the Exalted, to perfect good character. This is confirmed in a hadith found in Imam Bukhari's Adab al-Mufrad, number 273. Even though the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, was blessed with countless virtues and favors, the one which Allah, the Exalted, directly complimented was his noble character. Chapter 68 Al-Kalam, verse 4.
And indeed, you are of a great moral character.
A hadith which summarizes the blessed character of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, is found in Sunan Abu Dawood, number 1342. It advises that his character was the Holy Quran. This means the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, adopted all the good characteristics mentioned in the Holy Quran and avoided all the evil characteristics mentioned in it. There was no good quality, but he acted on it in the highest possible way, and there is no evil characteristic which he did not avoid to the utmost. The Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, fulfilled all the commands of the Holy Quran and avoided all its prohibitions. Therefore, this book will directly mention the noble characteristics of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, so that Muslims can strive to adopt them, as adopting his noble character is not possible without knowing them. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.